Dr. Sujata Sharma, Senior Consultant OBGY at Apollo Hospital, Amritsar. Today I will discuss about certain symptoms of endometriosis so that you can identify if you have these symptoms that you are suffering from endometriosis and then consult your gynecologist. Most common symptom is dysmenorrhea. Dysmenorrhea means pain during menstruation. Now dysmenorrhea is otherwise also very common during periods. Not necessarily, it may be because of endometriosis only, but a simple dysmenorrhea, the pain starts a few hours before the onset of periods and it disappears once the periods set in within few hours and with normal analgesics. But dysmenorrhea of endometriosis, it starts typically 1 to 2 or 3 days before the onset of menstruation and then it worsens with menstruation. So as menstruation goes on, the pain becomes more and more unbearable. Now another factor is that over a period of time during subsequent periods, the pain keeps on becoming worse and worse and it does not respond to ordinary analgesic. Another symptom is chronic pelvic pain, means a continuous pain throughout the month in the lower abdomen or the pelvis, which may be dull aching, and as it approaches periods it again becomes very intense in severity. Next to the symptom, which is again very common and felt by the women who are married or sexually active, is dyspareunia, that means pain during intercourse. And when this pain during intercourse is present, this is usually present in cases of deep infiltrating endometriosis. So endometriosis is a condition where you can see the cysts in and around the ovaries, and then you can also see many patches within the pelvis. But when this endometriosis infiltrates into the rectum also, that is what is called DIE or deep infiltrating endometriosis. If you have pain during defecation while passing stools, especially during periods, that indicates DIE. Endometriotic patches may also be present in the bladder, causing painful micturition or pain during urination. It can also cause hematuria, means presence of blood in the urine, and that happens during periods. The most important and worrisome and troublesome symptom is infertility, that is inability to conceive. And 30 to 50% of women who are suffering from endometriosis, they suffer from infertility as well. So if you have any of these symptoms, do consult your gynecologist to see whether you are suffering from endometriosis or not, and then accordingly the treatment can be carried out. Thank you.